been a great couple of days here at DCD Connect New York. Gabriel and I have had some fantastic conversations about data center, where they're going, and how AKCP can be implemented in data center digital twins. All of the sensor data that's used to feed in to the digital twin models, our sensorCFD, and how it can be used to save energy and cost in your data center facility. So we're going to be here for the rest of today. It's at the New York Marquis Marriott at Times Square. And if you can't make it here, then do be sure to come to DCW Washington in another couple of weeks, because we're going to be presenting there and we can show you how AKCP solutions can be deployed in your data center.